Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. First, I'd like to thank everybody that showed up to the live shoot that we did yesterday. And hopefully, if you didn't make it live, you will go listen. Even though these are audience questions, there was so much of that, if not all of that, that applied to larger numbers of us, the collective. And so it's worth going to listen. It's a bit of a longer video, but it is worth listening to. And for those of you who haven't signed up yet for the the Power of Healing workshop this Saturday, that's going to be 1 p.m. Pacific time this Saturday. And the workshop information's down below if you'd like to get signed up. You don't have to attend that live. If you sign up for the live version of it, you will get an audio recording and a video recording. The video recording will be conversations and discussions before and after, where audio will just be the journey itself. Okay, all that down below. That's for Saturday. You don't have to be there live, but if you like the live version, then please sign up for the live, and that way you'll get the full recording. All right, let's go find out what Daniel has to say. There are a lot of things going on around you that are not in your awareness. Things that are outside of your atmosphere. Many that come and go in the form of these wonderful star families. We call them families because you come from this. This is part of you. And as you are putting your energy into your ascension process, there are many of you that are feeling homesick for this galactic council of beings, these gatherings of like-minded souls and connections to these beautiful starseed beings that are around your planet at this time. And we say to you, call in your star families to help you through this time of feeling a little homesick, feeling a little alone, if you will. Many of you are finding your like-minded star family beings here in the human form. Those who have also come in as the volunteers, if that is the term you use for it, as the star seeds and the way showers of this time. You are finding each other, and you are connecting and feeling that sense of peace and being of and in your home energy. But if you find that you are not quite connecting with that yet, call on your families and the stars. They will come and surround you, guide you, help you. Sometimes it is important that we get through parts of the journey before we are able to make connections in these other realms. And so we applaud your work in doing so. So many are in this journey now. It is such an exciting time, more and more every day, stumbling across exactly what they need to know, hear, see, feel, sense, to know there's more. There's more out there, more to see, more to find, more to discover, more to know about self, about universe, about earth, about beings, about consciousness, about what is real, what is not real. What is your reality showing you? Being at peace in your own space, finding and creating your peace, your beautiful place to be, to feel, to understand, to experience in this world. The evolution is ever, ever so great, bringing you into these intimate experiences with self, to understand self, to grow in who you are, to understand where you are holding back and where you are launching forward. Be open to the changes that are coming. Be open to the contexts, the dreams, the signs that you are getting that are around you. Be open to the expansion that is coming in for your mind, for your heart, for your soul. It is so easy to displace it, to say it isn't real, to say you are making it up. But we ask you to just entertain the idea that maybe you are not. Maybe it is real. And just give it a chance to evolve you, expand you, allow your mind to think outside of the box. You are doing great things. You are in a great time. You are here for great reasons. Each of you getting your own guidance in that area as you move forward. Some of you have been feeling like you have been on a pause or a break or a completion. And we say to you that will shift and move, and there will be purpose lining up for you again, a direction that will line up for you again. And just hold the love and the space for that to happen and be in the moment of what you are in right now. Do not overthink it. Let it come. There's nothing you have to do. Allow it to manifest within you and around you. And put your energy towards the things you love to do, and everything else will fall into place. And with that, dear ones, we will leave you with that message. And we thank you so much for being here and for being part of this collective and this community and this beautiful energy that is being created in your planet right now, and all the things that you contribute to that as well. Thank you. We will bring you back, Tracie. Okay, short and sweet. It's the feeling on that one, but just a recognition of all the things that we're doing. It's going the right way. We're heading the right direction, and the ascension is on target. You're on target. You don't have to question it. I know myself included and some others that I've talked to over time, it's been feeling like, there's been a pause in things, or what are we waiting for? There's something coming, and we're hearing it now. It's coming now. So if you felt like you were in a pause, or you felt like things were slowing down, and things were not moving as you thought, or you were feeling in a neutral space, be ready. Some things are starting to open up now. We're going into the next level. That's what Daniel keeps telling us, right? We're going into the next level of things. We're going to start getting a new awareness of the ascension process. Where do we go now? We've made it to this point, and there's a great mass of beautiful souls who have made it to a certain point that it's ready to launch the next thing. So be ready. More things are coming, more information's coming, more insights, and more ways to teach and share and to evolve in this world and in this community. So as always, don't forget why we're here, you guys. We're here to make these beautiful, positive changes. And as a community, as this community right here, and all of you who are always there being supportive and loving on this channel, I thank you so much, because we are forming such a powerful energy together. I thank you for being with me on that journey. And let's just really put this out into the world, this energy and this phenomenal change that's coming. We'll just love it and embrace it, and love is the answer. Love is the key. That kept coming through yesterday in the Q&A that we did. We just all need to radiate this love and be in that space and stay out of judgment or criticism or disappointment or frustration. If we're seeing things that don't look like we want them to be, how do we hold and maintain the love through that? So here we are, hard at work. We're doing the thing we came here to do. I love you guys. I hope to see you all on Saturday, the power of healing and the light language, learning the light language and doing that in a very beautiful soul language prayer for ourselves and for the universe, for the world. I do hope that you will sign up for that and join us there. Thank you all so much, and thank you for your love and support on this page. If you are new to this page, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when new videos come on, and share this around to others who you think might also benefit from hearing the videos and the messages from the Arcturians and from Daniel and from the other groups that have been coming through, like the Andromedans. And I think we had something from, many come through, the mantis beings, the Andromedans, Assyrians, the Palladians, the Lyrans, throughout time, they've all come through, and even the fairy realm and different things like that. So thank you for following my channel. Thank you for supporting me in all of that. And we will see you all next time. Much love. Bye-bye.